Hi, it's Mike here with Computer Cuisine Deluxe. Wanted to do a video on the list menu, and that is this menu that's right here. It looks fairly simple, but it actually has some powerful features that are built into it that you may or may not know about. So when you click the list menu, you have an alphabetical listing of all of the recipes that are in your collection. You can always click Find All just to make sure that you've found all your recipes, and it will show the total number of recipes in your collection right up there. These are sorted originally alphabetically, A through Z, by recipe name. And you will also see some of these little icons right here have different attributes based on the recipe. So this is, for example, the all-purpose barbecue sauce recipe. It's an American recipe. It's barbecue, serves 4 for that particular serving. And then these icons here are quick reference guides to show certain attributes. For example, if it has a little thumbs up icon, that shows that it's one of your favorite recipes. If it has the heart check icon, that will show that it has low cholesterol. And if it has this sort of going the downward star icon, that will show that it's a low calorie recipe. You may also see that there's a camera icon on certain recipes, and that means that they have photos included with the recipe. These icons right here allow you to check particular recipes from this collection, and then you can always go here to print the checked recipes, so you can do a batch of recipes that you could print all at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck those. And this X icon, that will not actually delete the recipe. It will just merely omit it from the list currently. So if I go ahead and I click these, you will see that the recipes found will go down for each one that I'm clicking. And it's essentially just weeding out your list. So let's say you did a search for cookies and you wanted to just kind of narrow down that list. There's maybe 2 or 3 different peanut butter cookie recipes, and you don't want to include those in this particular listing. You can always just click this X here just to temporarily hide them or make them not found in your list. And then whenever you want to get them back, you just click Find All, and you're back in business with your full recipe collection. So these little icons really help to tell what attributes are attributable to your particular recipe. And if you ever want to change something, let's say you want to add this Alfredo sauce and make it one of your favorites. Well, it's not listed as a favorite now, but if you go to that column where it should be, if you click there, you will actually see that the thumbs up icon goes on, and that means you've actually changed it. So now it is one of your favorites. Same is true for all 3 of these. With the low calorie, you can now make it low calorie, or low cholesterol, you can make it low cholesterol. Can't do the same for a camera icon because you need to import a photo to make it show up with the camera icon. Okay, and lastly, I just wanted to show you that you obviously have these quick reference guides up here, alphabetical listings. So if you ever wanted to see all the recipes, it's like a Rolodex. See all the recipes that start with, let's say, the letter B. Click B, and you have all the recipes that start with the letter B. There's 102 of them. How many that start with the letter R? Just jump right to the R's, and you have 46. T, jump right to the T's, you have 47 for this particular collection. You can always, again, click the Find All button, and you're back in business with your entire collection. Now, these 3 tabs here also just have extra little features, so you can click by tab so that you can do the same sort of Rolodex feature function, but by recipe type or category. So all your beef recipes, click there, you have beef. There's 19 of them. You have cakes, same thing. It will just weed out and show all the cake recipes of your collection. Again, click Find All, get you back in business with your complete collection. But more importantly, now that we're in the Type Category tab, if we click Sort here, it will now sort by type or category. So if we go to the Style area where there's country codes for each recipe, now if we click Sort, it sorts by country instead of just sorting alphabetically each time. So this Sort button will actually change based on the tab listing that you have, that you're into right here. So if you click Sort here, it's now sorting by the number of recipes served, and you can see it's going 4 and then 3 and then 2 right here for this particular column. So this sort function too will change based on what tab you are in, either recipe name, type category, style, or servings. You can always click All to get back, or Find All up here to get back to your complete collection. But if you go ahead and click here, the sort function will sort them out based on the tab that you're in. So commonly, you'll probably just go to the recipe by name, click Find All, then click Sort, and now we have your complete recipe collection sorted alphabetically, A through Z, and you're back in business. So I just wanted to show you some of these little tabs here and how the sort function will change based on each tab, and how you can also click these special attributes. For example, if you want to see just your favorites, click here, you have just the recipes that are listed as favorites. You want to see everything that has low calorie, click here. Every recipe here has low calories, and there's 255 of them. You want to see just your low cholesterol recipes, click here, same thing, 347. Always click Find All to get back in business, so you're not actually losing any recipe data. It's just a quick little reference guide to see where you are and sift out your recipes really quickly with the list menu. So that's it. Hopefully that'll help you out with the list menu. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.